Cabarrus County businesses and employers. My name is Erin and I'm with the Cabarrus Health Alliance. I'm bringing to you some important COVID-19 updates. First and most importantly, our team wants to thank you and your team for all the work that you're doing to help keep Cabarrus County safe. We see you, we have worked with you, and we continue to be impressed by all of the mitigation strategies you're putting into place to keep others safe during this really difficult time. We want to provide a brief update related to testing as community spread continues to be what drives COVID cases in our community. Previously, the Department of Health and Human Services in North Carolina, along with the Centers for Disease Control, recommended one of two strategies to determine if someone who was COVID-19 positive could be released from their isolation and essentially return to work. The first was symptom resolution, and the second was a test-based strategy. The guidance has now changed, and we need your help in educating your managers and leadership of these changes. Requiring a negative test to return to work is not recommended by the CDC or the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services, as it is often a strain on the limited test resources we have. The change for no longer recommending a test-based strategy is because persons recovered from COVID-19 can continue to shed coronavirus RNA for up to 3 months after illness onset. Studies have shown no evidence that clinically recovered persons with persistent viral RNA have transmitted COVID-19 to others. It also strengthens the justification for relying on a symptoms-based rather than a test-based strategy for ending isolation of these patients so that they can return to work more quickly. It's important to understand that isolation for a positive person can generally be discontinued after 10 days after symptom onset and resolution of fever for at least 24 hours and with no fever-reducing medication, also with improvement of other symptoms. Our staff follow every positive case in Cabarrus County and monitor these symptoms so we can make recommendations throughout their recovery. The information I have reviewed with you today will be available on our COVID-19 website at www.cabarrushealth.org/COVID-19. Then click on the Reopen Cabarrus button. We will have a printable version of this information on CHA letterhead so you can easily share it with your staff and other employees. As a reminder, to help stop the spread of COVID-19, it's strongly recommended that employers implement the following guidelines. 1, conduct daily health checks of your staff. 2, conduct hazard assessments of your workplace. 3, encourage employees to wear cloth face coverings in the workplace. And 4, implement policies and procedures for social distancing. Thank you again, Cabarrus County businesses and employers. We really thank you for all that you're doing.